Let's start with our first code, and in the first code we will learn about how to unload a driver. A driver is not like a normal binary which we run in a user mode because it stays in the kernel, and there are so many callbacks to our function. If the driver is removed, we still send the what we say callbacks to our function, and if they won't find, sorry, if it won't find the function, it will give us the blue screen of death. Okay, so we have to tell the OS use this unloader function to unload our driver. So we will start with a header. This is an ntdk.h, and we will create our function unload, and we will pass some parameters in it. And this is used for like telling the compiler that this parameter u is the parameters given by the caller function, and we can read only and we can't change it. So we are using it a pointer to a driver object. And I will call this the driver object. Driver object is like a pointer to it. If you can see, there's a structure defined by Windows, and in this structure there's a field driver unload which we'll gonna use, and we are using pointer to it. This is the p driver object to the structure. So if we describe what we say parameter and we are not using in it, so we have to tell the compiler that we are not using this parameter. In this we are not using this parameter because we just like demo as a sample that how to use unload function. So we have to use unreferenced parameter, and name of the parameter is driver object. And we will use like I told you in the first video, we use debug viewer for to print the output in the debug view. So we have to use this command debug print text. We can read about it. So there is like a component ID, level, and format. So these are all the IDs we have to use, and this is for video, audio, network, streaming bus. We are using this one. This means that we are using third-party driver vendor, which we are. So we are going to use this TTFLTR IHV driver ID, and the level we can use, there are many levels. You can also use the like a digit for it, but we gonna define the level here, and we will call our EDR norm, and we will say loaded successfully. And that's it, I guess. Okay, it's saying red, I don't know why. Let's continue. And that's it. That's our what's unload function. Then now we will move just like we use what we say main in the in our normal coding. Here we use device entry, sorry, driver entry. So it goes like the NT status driver entry. So this is exactly as same as what we say main function we use in our coding like C++, and we have to define the same thing. We have to define a pointer to the driver object structure, and we will call it driver object. That's it. And we have to also give a path to registry. Registry is like uh, where it can log all the changes, all the documents we make about the driver. So here we will write, and we can't use like normal string here, so we're using like p Unicode string pointer to the Unicode, and it's also a structure which has three fields: buffer, like length, maximum length, buffer, maximum length, and length, and we will point it at like p unistring. So we will call it like something rs. Right now we will not using the rs, so we have to define it again that we are not using rs, and that's it. So now we will use our driver object to load this field. Where is it? Here is it. So the name of the driver we gave is driver object points to this field is equal to our unload function, and that's it. And we will again, don't want to write everything, so I will just copy paste it and write norm unloaded successfully. That's it. Yes. And we have to return like status success, so we will return. So this is the normal code, like a very small way, but we learn here that how to unload a driver. We will copy this and open this, and I will paste. Let's check how many bugs I will get here. I don't know why it's stuck. I gave it a plenty of time still. Build solution, and it's done. So I will just open the debug view as a run as administrator and look for, okay, it failed because it's already at this start. C delete norm, and we will create an SE start norm, and you can see that our EDR named norm loaded successfully, and we have to stop it to check the output, and you can see we get the output. So in next video we will learn about how to get a callback from a kernel. So that's it. That's the video, the first video.